Hey folks, back with another unboxing. Again, this is probably something that's been reviewed a few times online. I'm looking for my knife here that I can't find. It's probably been reviewed a few times online. I tend to keep people updated with what I am doing. I can't understand where my trusty knife is gone because this is sealed and I usually cut them open. I'll have to do without it for this one. So when I'm recording my podcasts and things like that, I need to hear in-ear monitoring because I bring in intro sounds and outro sounds and etc. And I like to hear my own voice to what's being recorded. This is what I use, the IE 100 Pro in-ear monitors from Sennheiser. I already have a pair. This is a new studio space, like I've said in my other unboxings and videos. In the moving, I can't find them. I had them in my hand. Next thing I know, I put them somewhere, and there's so much moving back and forth, I can't find them. They're about a year and a half old, so I decided, you know what, Sweetwater. Shout out to Devin Cunningham from Sweetwater, my salesperson, who's been my salesperson. We just figured out for the last either 12 or 15 years. These are on sale right now, $80 at Sweetwater, so I got me a set. So now I have two and I finally find the other ones. I hate having to do this with my fingers, but I have no clue where I put my knife, and that really bugs the crap out of me. For those of you know who I'm kind of OCD about this stuff, and I can't believe I can't find them. I will, they're in here somewhere. But I'm going to use my nails I don't have to peel this open. This is just an unboxing. I can already tell you that they sound great. They work fantastic as in-ear monitors because I have them already. But in case you don't have them, the Sennheiser IE 100 Pro in-ear monitors. Just showing you what comes in the box with the unboxing. There's the box. Comes with a pouch with the ends that fit in your ear. You know, everybody's got different ear sizes, so it comes with the ear tips. That's it. Comes with the manual. Never use any of these as we do an unboxing, the paperwork, warranty, and these are the actual monitors. They come with a set of ear tips already installed on them as well. I found that for me, the ones that came with it worked, so I never changed them. It comes with a decent length cable. So I use an in-ear monitoring system. I can reach over here and just show you the base that this is the X5, the receiver and the transmitter. This is the transmitter. This is the receiver. The transmitter plugs into my Mac keyboard, and this is what I use. So basically, this plugs in here. The receiver's on the board, turns it on. I put these in my ears, put this in my pocket. I'm sorry, it's low. You can see that now. Put these in my ear, this in my pocket, and I'm able to monitor as I'm recording my podcast. And if I have guests, I can monitor their audio too. So just in case you wanted something like this, right now it's $80 at Sweetwater. Not sure for how long. Sennheiser IE 100 Pro in-ear monitors. Great sound, great quality, and you can't beat that $80 price that's there right now.